This conference will now be
Hi guys,
recorded.
good morning all of you. So we are going to continue inventory management STO. So this is part 6. Okay. So stock transport order with SD shipping and without billing. Without billing means no Myro. Okay. No Myro. Intra company. Intra company means stock transfer within the same company code. So there are some configuration part between MM and SD. So this is called integration part. So stock transfer between plant of the same company code is called intercompany. So it is MM and SD integration part. So both should sit together and do this integration. So MM perspective, SD flow, and customer perspective, MM flow. So like SD, if you talk about SD, they create inquiry, and we create, instead of inquiry, we create PRRFQ, request for quotation. And SD flow, SD people create quotation, we maintain quotation. SD people create sales order, and we create the purchase order. SD they create outbound delivery, and MM we don't have nothing. And post goods issue, SD will do, and MM will do invoice verification post year, and create billing from SD perspective, and here invoice verification. Account receivable here, accounts payable. Okay. So before going for this SD configuration, make sure two company codes created with plant, storage location, purchase organization, and assign in a new enterprise structure. Then go for configuration setting in SD. So make sure two company codes are created. Not necessary, because this is not intercompany. If it is intercompany, then we can say that stock transfer from one company code to another company code. So at last, the fifth point, we'll do this. Okay. Yeah. So configuration setting from SD. What SD people will do, we should know what they are doing internally. Okay. Like they go to SPRO. Okay. So they go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG. First, we will see what they do. Enterprise structure definition. Okay. Logistic, general, define, copy, delete, check, division. So basically, division and distribution channel, sales and distribution, this all comes under SD. So go here. Okay. Click define division. What is division? Division is a way of grouping the product. So whenever we create the material, we'll find the division, right? We have seen number of time. So like that. So let's say we'll give this ZZ, ZY, ZX. Okay. Example ZZ, ZY, ZZ, ZX. So instead of this generic medicine, you also change, or else let it be. I'm saying this retailer. This I'm keeping as wholesaler. You can also change if you want. You can change retailer, wholesaler, distributor. So I'll give the name here, retailer, wholesaler, distributor. The distributor. Click enter and save it. So SD people basically they create a division. Back to MG, sales and distribution. So go here. We are going to their area because we are not depending on them right now. But in real time, they will take care. Define copy, delete, check sales organization. Define sales organization. New this. So let's say we give the sales organization. So those people they create sales organization and we create purchase organization, right? Yeah. So statistical currency INR. Suzuki sales work. You can give these things. So address also you can give. And save it. Now after creating the sales organization, we have oh okay go back. Copy delete check sales organization. Just like purchase organization we copy from 3000. So take for here also from 3000. From sales organization 3000 to sales organization hour. What is that? SUSO. Suzuki Sales Organization. So this sales organization copied to SUSO 3000. Now copy delete check distribution channel. This is also their area SD. What is distribution channel? We have seen in Material Master. Distribution channel is a way of origin goods to customer like wholesaler or retailer or distributor. So yeah, we'll take Z1, Z2, Z3. New entries Z1, Z2, Z3. Distributor, retailer, wholesaler. Okay. So again, back to AMG. Logistic execution. Shipping point also they will configure SD per people. So back to IMG means main screen, logistic execution, copy delete check, shipping point, define shipping point. Shipping point is a group of loading and unloading point. Loading point is group of ramp. Here, define shipping point for each plant as follows. So let's say we have Chennai shipping point and Mumbai like that, we'll configure. Will means the SD will do, but how they do like this. CHSP, I'm taking Chennai shipping point. Okay. Fatty calendar you can give India. Does not exist. Okay. So if that is not exist, then leave it. No issue. You can see later on. Click address button and give the address. Okay. So click next entry button and give the shipping point as Mumbai shipping point also. Content transportation zone. Copy it. Okay, save it. Don't have a saved. CHSP is there. Again, click next entry button. Shipping point will give Mumbai shipping point. Okay, Chennai as well as Mumbai will give. So go to new entries. MUSP Mumbai shipping point. Okay. So give country India and region Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay. Assignment. Like we have seen in MM also assignment is there. Same like in SD also. SD people they do the assignment. So go back. Now coming to assignment part. Sales and distribution. Assign sales organization to company code. Okay. So sales organization already we have taken, right? What sales organization? Yeah, this one. So company code I mentioned here or your own company code. So I'm taking uh, I'm taking predefined. Let's say company code I'm giving, but that will not match here. Oh, that will not match. Why means 3000 is New York and this is India, right? So if that is the case, then I need to give company code which I have created. What is that? Wipro. Wipro I will give. Deploy SEO. Okay, I'll give this. Assign distribution channel to sales organization. Next part, assign distribution channel to sales organization. So new entries. What is the sales organization which we have created? SUSO and distribution channel Z1, Z2, Z3. SUSO. Tada. Uh, SUSO. Bye. Okay. Save this. Now back to MG. Assign division to sales organization. So this is what it is. Integration. So division they have created SD and sales organization also SD created. So this is not integration part. This is purely SD, but we should know how they do. Okay. So new entries. Go back. Assign division to sales organization. So new entries. So now we'll give SUSO. ZZ, ZY, and ZX. Save it. So this part is over. Now set up sales area. This is also purely SD part. But don't worry, in interview, no need of saying this all sales area because this is SD part. So interviewer will never ask you what are the setup. They will only concern about configuration, what you are doing with the SD people. So we need to highlight that only. So new entries, set up sales area. So indirectly we are learning some part of SD. So new entries. Yeah. Sales organization. Distribution channel division we should give. ZZ. Z2. Z. Y. SUSO. Z3. ZX. Save it. Assign sales organization distribution channel to plant. So this is integration. Y means plant we will create. Sales organization SD people, distribution they will create. Distribution channel. Plant we create. So we are sitting with them. They will ask us what plant we have created. So we'll give this plant. But actually this plant I have created after creating the Wipro. So don't worry. Don't take exactly if you are practicing. SBPM means this is not there in your system. Okay. So instead of this, you take your Wipro if you have created. So now I will take SVSO. Essentials organization distribution channel plant. Go back. Yeah. New entries. SUSO. This is the endeavor will ask because this is our area. Integration with MM and SD. Perspective we are giving this. Okay, distribution channel Z1 plant. So plant what will take is supplying plant WCP1. Let's say Wipro Computer Plant 1. WCP2. Let's say this is my receiving plant. Oh yeah, sorry. This is Z1. Z1 only. Let me delete this. Yeah, take Z1 only. WCP2. Now again Z2 Z2. So one will take supplying, another will take receiving. Okay. If this is the case, then uh, first save this and do it. Okay. So if that is the case, then save it and do it. Now again Z3 SUSO WC P1 P2. Save it. Back to MG. Logistic execution. Assign shipping point to plant. Here it is. Logistic execution. Assign shipping point to plant. So this is our integration area. Select our plant like we have WCP1, right? Okay. So first we will take WCP1. So here you need to check where our plant is. So how you will check? Put the cursor here. Control F. Okay. So WCP1. Double click this. See here it is. Okay. And click assign button. Select this one and click assign button. So you are assigning to Chennai, CHSP. So where it is, you need to check. So this is integration point. We both will sit together. CHSP. You need to select this. Okay. So I've done the assignment. CHSP. Okay. Yeah, Sohail, you also join. Good. Yeah. Okay. So that is done. Again, assign other shipping point. So our shipping point is WCP2. Already we are here. Click assign button. Now we need to assign to Mumbai. Chennai is over. Now Mumbai. MUSP. Okay. Click enter and save it. This is very very important. Until unless you practice yourself 3 to 4 times, you will not understand. Okay, Sohail, Madhulika, Madiha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is done. Assignment of both plant and shipping point is done. Back to MG. Yeah. Sales and distribution. It is outside, not inside. So we have sales and distribution outside also. This is inside, right? This is inside. So I'm talking about outside. So I will show you. So this is outside sales and distribution. Okay. So master data define common distribution. So master data define common distribution channel. So already we have taken SUSO. So position give SUSO. Yeah. So now we need to change this Z1, Z1, Z1 for 3. Yeah, sorry, it is here. See, Z1, Z2, Z3, right? So let me go back. I need to remove this. Otherwise, the system will get confused. But removal part is also 1 second. Master data define common distribution channel. Okay, no issue. Go to position SUSO. So Z1, Z2. So I'm putting here again Z1, again Z1, and here Z2, Z2. Z3, Z3, click enter and save it. Back to MG. Define common division. So we need to position cursor SUSO. Yeah. So here also we need to check this one only. ZX, ZY, ZZ. Okay. ZX, ZX, ZY, ZY, ZZ. Save it. Back to MG. Now coming to logistic execution outside. We have inside as well as outside. So let me take it outside this one. Shipping. Okay. Basic shipping functions. Shipping point and goods receiving point determination. Okay. It's a shipping point. Now new entries. So here first one is we'll take 01 as soon as possible. Okay. Second we'll take crane loading group. And third we'll take WCP1 plant. Okay. And then actually it's really like this loading group plant PRSSB proper shipping point. So we'll give Chennai, na? Chennai shipping point CHSP. Okay. And next one, leave it blank. Receiving also we should give, but here blank, here blank. Yeah. So here, yeah. So here we give this blank, but we these two are blank. Now here we go other plant, receiving plant. WC P2. This is our integration area with MMNSD, and here we'll give Mumbai, Mumbai shipping point, and save it. Yeah, first, let me check. 1 second. Chennai. Already exists with the same key. Hmm. Okay, no issue. I have taken that. So now I'm giving this blank, okay, and I need to give receiving plan. That is WC P2, and here MUSP Mumbai. Click enter. Oh, but I'm not taking anything here. Let me try to save this first, and now I will take WC P2 and here Mumbai. Click enter. Oh, oh, why it is not allowing me to give blank also? Hmm. Let's take this one. Save it. Yeah. So now back to MG. Now create receiving plant as customer by supplying plant area sales area in SAP, which is not in SPRO. So with XD01, SD people will create the customer. Okay. But in S4 HANA, customer as well as vendor, XK01 and XD01 both is absolute. So new T code is there, that is called BP, business partner. The T code itself is BP. So they have removed this XD01 as well as SK01 in S4 HANA. Okay. Yeah. So now
Yeah,
XD01, the SD people they create the customer.
सर
Ah, yeah. Tell me.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
What's the
सर ये अपने पास अपन जो वेंडर को नोटिफिकेशन भेजते हैं सैप से, तो वेंडर के पास भी पीओएस सैप का ही रहता है या फिर उसको बस आउटलुक पे कुछ मेल या नोटिफिकेशन जाता?
नहीं, अगर वेंडर बहुत सारे वेंडर्स के पास आजकल एसएपी है, अगर नहीं है तो उनके आउटलुक मेल में जाता।
नहीं, वही मैं यहाँ पे बहुत देख रहा हूँ कि सबके पास पीओएस ज्यादा एसएपी का चल रहा रिटेल में, तो इन लोग के पास जो भी अपन लाइक रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं सप्लाईज के लिए, तो
हाँ
डायरेक्ट उन लोग को वहीं पे पुश पुश होता नोटिफिकेशन।
हाँ हाँ, जी हाँ, जो नोटिफिकेशन पुश होता डायरेक्ट और उनके पास चले आता आउटलुक में। अगर उनके पास नहीं भी है तो एसएपी ज़रूरी नहीं है
हाँ
उनके पास एसएपी रहना, लेकिन बहुत
जी
सारे वेंडर्स के पास एसएपी है, बड़े बड़े वेंडर्स के पास। अगर
जी।
नहीं है तो वो थर्ड पार्टी के जरिए से चले आता।
तो उसको कुछ अपने को इंटीग्रेशन करना पड़ता है सर, या तो फिर वो
नहीं, हम
डायरेक्टली आउटलुक से
हम
कनेक्ट
नहीं
करके
करते,
आता है?
वो हम नहीं करते, वो बेसिस वाले कर लेते, बेसिस वाले कर
अच्छा।
लेते वो पर।
एट
बेसिस
द
एंड
टाइम ऑफ
सिक्योरिटी जो है
क्रिएशन
ना।
कंपनी में।
हाँ, जी जी जी। बेसिस
जी
वाले
सर
पूरा
समझ।
जो जो भी उनका थर्ड पार्टी टूल है, जिसके
हम्म,
जरिए से, जैसा आपका आईडॉक है, इंटरमीडिएट
हाँ,
डॉक्यूमेंट,
जी।
इनबाउंड आईडॉक, आउटबाउंड आईडॉक, ये पूरा जो
हाँ,
थर्ड पार्टी से वो लोग पूरा कर देते हैं। टेक्निकली बेसिस वाले कर लेते समझो।
जी।
उनके पास डाटा है आई जैसा, जैसे कि फॉर
हम्म,
एग्जांपल like a purchase order we have created, right? Perspective, so they will
हम्म,
receive the PO copy in their outlook.
हम्म,
Then only they'll understand, okay, this guy need this much of quantity, right? Like that.
yes,
Or
ओके।
there's so many ways. Either they will get the fax or mail, outlook mail, or sometimes they call also, like that. But nowadays, they are only following with the outlook mail only. Fax तो जरा पुराना हो गया, लेकिन some company they are using fax also. Yeah.
ओके सर,
Okay.
ओके।
So now this is MM and SD integration point. Okay. So now we'll create receipt plan as customer. So with XD01, you just see how those people will create this XD01. They create customer, and XK01 we create vendor MM. Yeah. So here customer account group we take 0001 sold to party. Okay. And customer, let's say I'm giving new one 8866. Okay. Company code and sales organization we need to give. Company code in my case Vico. Sales organization already created SUSO. Distribution channel Z1. Division ZZ. Click enter. In address screen, give receiving plant name. So address. Receiving plant is Wipro Computer Plant 2, right? WC P2. So WC P2 I'm giving here. And transportation zone west to Mumbai comes in west. Let me get this address. India, region Maharashtra. Yeah. So why I am taking this? Because west zone, right? So the Mumbai comes in west. That's why I take this. Okay. And click company code data. Reconciliation account. Sorry. You need to click this. Company code data. Reconciliation account. Take this. 1,40,000. Vendor we take payable and customer they take receivable. Click sales area button. Sales area data. In shipping tab. This one. Shipping condition as soon as possible. The one which you have given above. But actually we have given what we have given. ये नहीं आ रहा था राइट तो हम क्या दिए थे 80 right we have given 80 anyone ओके चलो ये ले लेंगे and in billing document tab select classification in billing document tab select tax classification as one uh, that is not coming means I've given here some notes yeah here see if tax data subscription is not coming in sales one view then in OVK1 T code or our plant country assign tax category as MWST. So to get that, we need to go here, OVK1. Go to OVK1 and select our tax country India. And tax category MWST. Okay. So always remember output tax for SD people, input tax for purchasing people. So now it will come here. But again we need to come back. Let's say this is WCP2. Yeah. So receiving plan. Mm, okay. Giving here. You here Mumbai and country India, region Maharashtra, transportation zone. Bombay comes in west. Okay. Yeah. Go to company code data and give reconciliation account this one and sales data in shipping tab, shipping condition as soon as possible. Okay. In billing document tab. Now this will come. See here. Earlier it was not there. So tax classification as one. Liable for tax. Okay. We brought this. So that STO configuration with SD was done over. Now we are doing STO configuration from MM perspective. SD we have done. We means basically the SD people will do. Now we should do MM perspective. STO with SD shipping and without billing. Yeah. All your data is created. Now after configuring settings, configuration setting in SD, now we have to do configuration setting in MM as well. So now MM is there. Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, material management purchasing, purchasing, purchase order. So this the interview will respect, not the SD part, because that is purely related to SD area. The interval will ask SD people this STO configuration, but STO with SD shipping and with SD shipping and without billing. So MM perspective, we need to tell this whatever setting we are doing in MM area. So you need to start from here. Set up STO, set up stock transport order, define shipping data for plant, click position. So our shipping we have given WC P2, right? WCP2. Okay. Select holder and click detail button. Already selected. Now click the detail button. Customer. So the customer which I have created just now. 8866. Give this. Click enter and save it. Okay. Note in STO process, this issue plan is treated as customer number. So back. Select supply and plan now. Basing. So now back. Select plan, supplying plan now by using position. So that is WC P1, right? Supplying plan. Select whole row. Click detail button. Customer leave it blank. So nothing we are giving. Sales org. This is SUSO. Distribution channel and division Z1 ZZ. Give this. Okay. In STO process, specify which sales area involved with this supplying plan. So Z1, Z2, and this all I have given. Click enter and back. Save it. Back. Create checking rule. So don't worry. Already, almost 90% of the company implementation has done. Okay, so you will get opportunity in support project. As a fresher, no one will give opportunity in implementation. But as a consultant, we should know what is happening in the back end, how to proceed, because we are consultant. Whether you are fresher or experienced, you should know the process. Okay, so don't get confused. अरे इतना सारा करना पड़ता क्या? ऐसा नहीं है. ऑलरेडी ये पूरा कर चुके हैं. Already someone has done this, right? But as a consultant, we should know what is happening in the back end. Okay, yeah. So create checking rule. New entries. I will create checking rule like Y1 description. Checking rule for Subi. For Subi. Yeah. Okay. So here P2 I'm running. Save it. Yeah. Now define checking rule. Define checking rule now. New entries. Available check. So like daily requirement. Okay, and checking rule y1. Just now we have created y1. Okay, so this checking rule is assigned to supplying plan. Okay, and availability check is assigned to material master, so that whenever PO is giving to the supplying plan to this material, then the availability of this material in supplying plan or this material system will check as per the following settings. So this is supplying plan. Actually, I'm giving receiving plan. Okay, so click enter. Include safety stock. I need this. Include quality inspection. This one. Include reservation checkbox. It is here actually. No. Include purchase order checkbox and save it. So checking rule I'll take for P1 supplying plan, not receiving. Okay, saving this. Yeah. So after this, these are settings we need to tell the interviewer. Perspective, what we are doing. Assign delivery type and checking. As I told you, delivery type for intra company is NL and delivery type for inter company is NLCC. Okay. Yeah. So now you need to queue. UB is stock transfer. Okay. NP is PO, standard PO. But we are talking about STO. So the document type will be UB, right? So go down. UB. So this is UB, right? So supplying delivery type SBP1. Yeah. Okay. So here, mm, this WC1, this is for NB normal. But UP I am not finding. Let me check our plant. Maybe it is there. The one we had, which we have taken. Supplying plant. That is WCP1, right? Let me check. WCP1 is there or not. Yes, here it is. WCP1 NL. Okay. And here Y1 I will need to queue. Checking rule. We have created, right? Y1. Take this. Okay. And NB also we should take normal. normal PO, but this will use in intercompany STO process. As I told you, intercompany STO PO will be created by document type NB only, not by UB. The interval will ask this. So don't ever tell intercompany document type is UB. It will be NB only. So now again I'm going to upside NB and I'll check my WCP1. NB is there. Yeah, here it is. Right? Yeah. WCP1. So NB. So now same this one I should keep this as intercompany, right? NLCC, NLCC document type, and I should give here Y1. Click enter and save it. Okay. So back to M. Assign document type one step procedure under delivery tolerance. Okay. New entries. So here supplying plant and receiving plant. So supplying is WC P1, receiving plant WC P2, and intra company UB document. Okay, intra company, and this is intercompany. Yeah, this is what it is. But for intercompany, I won't do now because for this I need to create separate company code as I told you, WIBL, Wipro Bulb, right? So maybe I have created only one Vigo. So we can do this later on because we are not starting this intercompany right now. But we'll do this once we do another company code in our own enterprise structure, that is WIBL. There we will do this. As of now, it is not possible. So I'm taking only one. Click enter and save it. You understood, right? Intercompany means stock transfer from one company code to another company code. So why I'm not taking now is because in our enterprise structure we have only one company code, Vico. So whatever another company Wipro Bulb we have not created. So once creating that Wipro Bulb, then we can transfer the stock from Vico to Wipro Bulb. That's why this step is not possible as of now because we have not created this our own enterprise structure. Yeah. So this one step, two-step procedure is there. This one step. If I select this, what will happen? If one step is selected, whenever PGI is posted in supplying plan, then GR will posted automatically with receiving plan. So MyGo will get created if you select that part. If in one step procedure, PGI movement type intra-company 647 and intercompany is 645. So I will show you once post goose issue is done. I, I will show you that part also. Okay. Now the whole setting. STO with MM and SD. SD is completed. Now we do the testing scenario. Create material master in supplying plan. So if this testing is okay, then our whole SD and MM implementation, whatever we have done, that is correct. If this is not working properly, then something mistake is there. Okay. So now we'll create the material master. I'm going to MM01 now. Okay. Sublime plan MM01. Take this, click enter. Okay. Select MM and sales view and don't take MIP view. So whatever MM is there, I'm taking. So here MM is not coming. So what I will do, I will take mechanical engineering and here also not coming. Yeah, I'll take material type as FERT. FERT means MM will come, not for ROH. So you should take FERT. So I'm taking all sales. Leave this cell text. I'm taking this all, okay? And supplying WC P1, WC S1. Now sales org. What sales org we have created there? SUSO, right? Suzuki sales organization. Distribution channel also. Z1 we have created, right? Take this Z1. Click enter. Basic data. You need a measure. So you can take anything, right? Let's say rubber. EA. In sales or view division ZZ we should take. See here division. Already we have created. That will come here. V means the SD people. Tax data, tax classification 1. Take here 1. Full tax. Right? If tax subscript not coming, then go to OVK1. Already we went and we have done this. And what else? Sales or 2 view. Or 2 view. In sales or 2 view, general item category group is norm. Already it is there. Norm. Item category also norm. This one. Item category. Sales general plant view. Availability check. Daily requirement. Yeah. So take daily requirement 01. Okay. Transportation group on pallets 0001. On pallets 0001. Again coming to loading group crane 0001. Okay. Enter other MM views and save it. Click enter. Purchasing nothing as such. Here also nothing. Here you need to give 7920, right? For finished. Click enter and save it. So note on this number 1462. 1462. Okay. You note down someone. Madhya, you note down this number 1462. Okay.
Yes, I'm making.
Hmm. Yeah. Now create or extend same material to receiving plan. So 1462, go with MM01, give the same thing. I am extending to receiving plan, that is WC P2, WC S3, right? Click enter. Material already exists and will be extended. Yeah, we need to select sales organization and distribution channel also. Select all sales view, give here WC P2, WC S3, sales organization, same thing. Division, distribution channel Z1. Hey, what is that material number? Sorry, 1462, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, 142.
So I have not taken that. MM01. You need to give this 1462. Click enter and select the sales view. Yeah, now give WCP2, WCS3, sales organization. This one. Click enter. Yeah, the material already exists and will be extended. You should get this information, right? Select all sales window name. Fill the required detail and save it. Okay. So whatever details are there, you fill it and save it. Loading group, crane, and here validation class. Click enter and save it. Yeah, I extended. Okay, I extended. Now create PR in receiving plant. Purchase acquisition receiving plan. So with ME51N T.Code, you create the PR. Select item category as U. U is nothing but stock transfer, right? Stock transfer. Yeah, what is the material number? 14. Yeah, Madhya.
1462.
Okay. 1462. Yeah, take this quantity, let's say 10, and you need to give the receiving plant WCP2. not the supplying plant. WC S3, right? Purchase group also sometime it may ask delivery date. Okay, if it is asking, you can give today's date or whatever. Supplying plant in line item delivery date. Enter next date but not current date. Okay, let's say I'm giving next date. In source of supply, enter supplying plan. Here it is, source of supply. I will give the supplying plan. That is WCP1. Click enter. Purchase group, you can take anything. Click enter. Okay, and save it. But make sure, yeah, valuation price. You need to give in valuation. Let's say 100 I'm giving. Click enter and save it. So PR is created. Note on the PR number. Note on this 10013 564. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Now step 2, step 3. Yeah, coming to step 4. Create STO PO. STO PO actually it is STO PO and receiving plan with ME21 and T.Code. So I'm going to ME21N. Okay, document type I need to select UB, stock transport order, and here I need to give the supplying plan WC P1 to the purchase order WPO1, right? Wipro purchase order 1 rate, correct. Madhulika, okay. Now I need to give the PR number, right? In line item, enter purchase requisition number. Yeah, tell me, Madhulika, what is that PR number?
Yes,
Here
sir.
it is 10013. Tell me,
13564.
564.
Yeah.
Yeah. Purchase organization not responsible for plan WCP2. Yeah. Here we need to give here receiving plant. Yeah, sorry. We need to give here receiving plant WCP2. Okay. Yeah. So the observation is here also item category selected by default U. So if you see the PO item category, U item category, U means stock transfer. So we are getting the error. Okay. because I have not taken the price. So let me put some amount here, 10. Purchase organization not responsible for plan WCP2. Okay, so I need to give the receiving WPO2, I think. Yeah, factory calendar. Okay, leave it. That's not a problem. Yeah, based on PO document type UB and supplying combination, scenario control STO with SD and without SD. Okay, so already checking rule we have given. Observe shipping tab detail at item level. So here we should get shipping tab at item level. See here, shipping is there. This is what our observation. Delivery type, as I told you, for intra companies NL, and for inter companies NLCC. Distribution channel division, everything came here. Okay. Here no invoice tab is coming due to item category U. See here, invoice. Actually, whenever we create the PO, we'll get the invoice, right? Madhulika, Madiha. But here it is not coming. Why? Because this is STO with SD and without billing. If error gun not possible to determine shipping data, then we should go to OVL2. But thank God we have not got this error. Now I'm saving the PO. I'm saving the PO. Okay, so PO is created. So note down this PO number. Someone 4500017197. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now next step. Create outbound delivery. This is something different, which till now we have not done. Yeah, Madiha, are you there, Madiha?
They all left, sir.
Oh, she left. Okay, no issue. Yeah, so create outbound delivery. So VL10G, go to T.Code. Outbound delivery means the material is going out from plant warehouse, and inbound delivery means the material is coming in the plant and warehouse. Okay, so with VL10G, we'll create outbound delivery. VL10G. Okay, so yeah, shipping receiving point. So we give CHSP, Chennai shipping point. Yeah. So we can enter this. You remove this, keep it blank. And in purchase order tab, this one, give the PO number. What is that PO number? Yeah, tell me. 45
Uh,
17.
17197.
Okay, and execute. In the left screen, you will find light in yellow color, which means you have done 100% correct settings. If light is in red color, then something mistake. So now we'll see. Nothing is coming. Supplying plant will give WC P1. Execute. Nothing is coming. What mistake we are doing? Yeah, this is there. 4500 Okay. CHSP. Okay, we have given this. Mm, Actually, data itself is not coming. It should come here. That means somewhere light, slight mistake is also there means it won't come. So we need to check this again. Whatever configurations we have done, something slight, if that is there. Also, like as I mentioned here, uh, at the time of creating the, what I'm thinking is this one. At the time of creating the material, here I have mentioned somewhere like, yeah, here see, availability check daily requirement. But here, availability check in configuration, we have taken something different, right? So that is also maybe one of the issue. Okay, anyhow, we'll check tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So we'll continue tomorrow. STO with yeah, outbound delivery. We'll check why outbound delivery is not triggering. We should check all this. Okay.
Okay,
Okay
sir.
then.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Bye.